When you think about politicians, what is the first word that comes into your mind? For me, it's mostly negative words like dirty, like corrupt, like manipulative, like selfish. So those are the words that I have in mind when you think about politicians. But obviously, not all politicians are corrupt and dirty. Yesterday, I saw a YouTube video here in the Philippines about a mayor in Tuburan, Cebu. And the one thing that impressed me is he cares about not only about his constituent but also the environment and helping the smallholder farmers to rise above poverty. So what he does in Tuburan, Cebu is he has a large area of a nursery of coffee trees, specifically Robusta. So in fact, I'm impressed because according to him, the Robusta, not grafting, it's something else, like a long, not a seedling as well, but it's better. And according to him, in 1.5 months, it will bear coffee cherries in just 1.5 months. So that's amazing. And I'm also impressed with his vision that he cares about the climate change and he intends to plant a lot of these coffee trees to mitigate climate change. So it's not just about profit or helping the farmers, but also massively planting these trees all over the Philippines. So that's a big and ambitious mission. And I want to talk to individuals like the mayor of Tuburan. So as the founder of Passport Turtle, I'll make sure and make it a point that I'll get in touch with him because I want people with vision and with big goals. So hope to see you and talk to you soon, Mayor.